Hello, my munchies. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm preparing a simple recipe of dosa batter. You can use it for idli as well. For this, I have taken 3 cups of rice, 1 cup of urad dal. Wash it thoroughly till the water runs clean. And in that, you can take 3 spoon of poha and half teaspoon of methi. And soaking is very important for soft and crispy dosa. So soak it for at least 4 to 6 hours. After that, you can grind the ingredients into smooth and fluffy paste. Correct measurement gives perfect dosa batter consistency. Mixing with hand helps in natural fermentation. So we can use our hand, and you can use boiled rice or the leftover rice, 1 cup, which would give a smooth texture to the batter. Allow it to ferment for overnight or at least for 8 to 10 hours. And of course, depending upon the weather. So you can see how fluffy and smoothly it has been fermented. This is how you want the texture of the batter. Now you can take how much batter you want or how many dosas you want to prepare, and in which you can add a teaspoon of salt and a bit of water to adjust the consistency. The batter, when it is fermented well, it rises well and turns light and airy. ಈ ಬ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಸರಿ ಆಗಿ ಫರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆದರೆ ಡೋಸಾ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆಟೋಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಸೂಪರ್ ಹಿಟ್. So take a pan, apply some oil or ghee. You can put 1 scoop of dosa batter, some oil or ghee. Once it is done or you get a bubbles on the upper layer, you can flip over the dosa. But trust me, with ghee it tastes next level. You can even use banaen, which is butter, and you can make a butter dosa or butter uttappa. So this is a set dosa which I have tried to show you. You can slowly check if the edges are open. You can change or flip the side. Gently. And I have tried one more dosa for you guys, so that I would show you with ghee how does it looks, and it tastes super. For children, you can definitely give it with ghee if you have kids at your home. It is so soft, and when you have it with any of your chutneys or goju or sambar or with any sago, it just melts in your mouth. Like, share and subscribe.